Hey, what is up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I wanted to come back with a couple of new cases that I just picked up. Now, these are magnetic cases. I'm just going to open them up and show you. There's really no padding. They're really thin. They're not really protective, but a lot of people have been asking questions about how they fit and how they actually work. This one is from ZtoTop. This one is from TiMOVO. Same cases, different colors, different companies. I'm going to break them down to you right now. So just like I said, these cases are basically the same. It's a front, a back. It's very thin. It's microfiber on the inside. Like I said, ZtoTop, this is the company that makes this one. They're magnetic on the back. This one is from TiMOVO. I'm going to open it up for you just to let you see. There we go. Now, this one you get no branding on the inside, no branding on the outside, and this is the only color that TiMOVO has. They still have that microfiber lining on the inside, but you can see that these are not very protective. Now, a lot of people slam me for buying this one. This is the out of box 360 symmetry. I know if you've seen my channel, this is my favorite case. This is the one I use on a daily basis. A lot of people talked about this one because it costs $80. I will say, after seeing these in person, I would rather pay $80 for this and protect my iPad versus this piece of paper shell and drop my iPad and it break. Now, a lot of people say, oh, well, we can get these I can get 4 of these for the price of the outer box. Of course you can. And a lot of people say, oh, well, does it bend when it's in the outer box? No, it's not bending when it's behind that. It's not going to bend. If you drop your tablet in this, it is going to fly out. It's going to break. It's going to crack. It's going to be gone, and you're going to be out of $800 to $1,000 just like that. So I'm going to put these on the actual iPad. Not going to do both of them. Like I said, they are the same, made by different companies. This one costs about $14. This one costs about $25. I'm guessing you're paying for color over here. Not quite sure. These are actually good cases in their own respect, though. But I just do not want people thinking that your $25 shell, paper, thin, is going to be better than your $80 protective OtterBox. Now, I don't work for OtterBox. I don't get paid by OtterBox. But I'm saying this is the best case that I've found. And this is one of the most protective that I have at this moment. With that being said and that out of the way, I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to lay this down, the ZtoTop. Reason I like ZtoTop is because they actually have their logo in their device, their branding. Now, iPad has magnets on the back. We're just going to stick it on. It stays. I'm going to do my test. You see, it does stay. But if you wiggle it too hard, it will fall out. Just to let you know. Now, the average person will not be doing this. This is just a test that I do. Magnetic, it holds, it covers your tablet. I'm not knocking it. It does what it's supposed to do. It covers your tablet. It is able to charge Apple Pencil, just like so. You can hold this just like that. It's going to be perfect. It does auto sleep wake, just like so. So it has all the features that we're looking for in a tablet for the iPad Pro. It just does not have the padding. It does not have the tough outer shell. It is paper thin. Now, cosmetically, it looks great. I would love to carry this around just like this. It's awesome. But if you drop this, it's not going to protect your tablet. And we like things that are going to protect our $800 tablet or $1,000 tablet. They actually have 2 orientations that you can use it in. So you can stand it up, just like so. Or you can flip it over for a typing mode, just like that. Like I said, once again, I'm not knocking the product. It's a great product. I've been enjoying it for a couple of days. It does everything that it's supposed to do. It's just not as protective as these over here. If I'm sitting around the house just doing everyday things, I'll put it in this. I'm not going to drop it in the house. I'm not doing a whole lot of moving. But for everyday use, on the go, at work, in the office, I'm taking this one. This one is going to protect my tablet the most. So ZtoTop, TiMOVO, you can pick these up on the Amazon store. I'll be sure and leave a link below so that you can grab these if you want to try them out. But for right now, I'm telling you that they are not as protective. They don't have padding, but they do support auto sleep wake. They do let you charge your pencil, and all the ports are readily available on these cases. So I hope this is able to help someone. Give me that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.